Welcome to drivelink.blogspot.com, the home of chainsaw maintenance. My name's David Vickers and today we'll take a look at replacing the sprocket on a Stihl MS260 chainsaw or other saw that uses an inboard clutch. Start by removing the side plate, bar and chain after first slackening off the tension on the chain. When you come to remove the chain, please remember to wear work gloves to protect your hands. Don't forget to take the chain brake off, otherwise you'll not be able to remove the drive sprocket. Remove the circlip. Then the washer, and then the drive sprocket. Don't forget the needle roller bearing that sits underneath the sprocket. With the sprocket off, you can now check for wear and any signs of damage, looking particularly for any signs of hairline cracks where the notch is. As you can see on this one, there's a hairline crack in it. If that's not picked up, then this will be the result. Check the sprocket teeth for wear. Up to about 1/2 millimetre is okay. You should expect to replace the sprocket about every 2 to 3 chains. Refitting is pretty much the reversal of removal, but just remember to apply a little bit of lubrication to the roller bearing in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Before fitting the sprocket, make sure you locate the oil pump drive, a small metal bar between the clutch weights and the chain brake, as shown here. Then line the sprocket up with it. With the sprockets on, you can now refit the washer and the circlip. Try to use a new circlip when you do this. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful, and check out drivelink.blogspot.com for more chainsaw maintenance tips.